Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change iPhone payment method. To start, go to the settings. Here, tap on your account. Now tap on payment and shipping. Here you'll find your current payment methods. Now select the option which you want to change. Tap on the edit button at the very top right and then the minus button. This will allow you to remove the current payment method. Then, if you want to add new payment method, select the type of payment method first. After that, add the required information. If you want to add PayPal, you'll need to log in to your PayPal account. Once you're done, hit the done button to save this new payment method, which you can use to pay for apps, iCloud, and much more. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.